Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 69 GTO Judge Clone, top goes down, red interior, 400, 4-speed. I mean, the list goes on. And if you want to check out about 100 pictures of her, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're going to get it up on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. We're going to open up the hood, fire up the motor. We're going to get it out and drive it. We're going to show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your GTO investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this black beauty out, man. Look at the paint on the nose on that thing. You Pontiac guys know that it is tough to keep the paint looking good on those plastic noses, and it's looking sweet on this car. It's got the fold down headlights. Of course, we've got the Ram Air 4 stickers on the hood there, looking sweet. All the lines are lining up nice and straight. We got the hood mounted tack. I love the stripes on this car. Man, those stripes look sharp. And of course, it's got the PMD center caps on those style steel wheels, the Judge stickers, the doors lining up nice, and look at the reflection in that door. I'll tell you what, that reflection is beautiful. I can see I due for a haircut here pretty soon. We got good looking chrome on the side view mirror. All the stainless is highly polished. Door handle looks good. This door's lined up nice here. That gap looks great. And look how nice and smooth that door opens up. We got good looking gaps in here. Looks like that latch was out when they did the restoration. And look at the finish work on the door jamb. The weather strips looking sweet. The interior looks good. Door armrest looks good. All the cranks look good. We got good looking Pontiac floor mats in there. And yep, there's 3 pedals. That means there's a gear shifter in there. Yep, it's a Hurst. It's hooked up to a 4-speed Muncie transmission. We got good looking upholstery here. We've got seat belts in the back. It looks like there's 3 seat belts back there. Now the convertible top is down and the boot fits really nice. If you want to check out about 100 pictures of the car, go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. There'll be several pictures of the hood or the top up for you. The dash is in beautiful shape, all the chrome, all the upholstery, all the paint work there, looking sweet. Steering wheel looking good. Just a beautiful car. Look down that big long quarter panel there. It's looking sweet. We got good looking chrome, and of course the Judge fin looking sweet. Tail lights are in great shape. Get this trunk lid open here. Look in there. They've got a CD player in there. Of course, nobody uses CDs anymore. Look at that trunk floor looking sweet. Wheel well looks good. Backside of the quarter's nice and clean. We've even got a bias ply spare in here. It looks like the jack's in there too. We've got good looking paint work here on the gutter system around the opening. The lips on the deck lid look good. Look down the side of this car. She is a black car and she is beautiful, straight as an arrow. That passenger door fits just as good as that driver's door fits. All the trim's been replaced. This interior is just beautiful. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. We spend the time and check the cars out before we buy them. Then when they get here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer all your questions. So please feel free to call Tom anytime at 248-974-9513. He will tell you all you need to know about this car. Now we're bringing in between 40 and 50 new units every month, and I'm in charge of picking every one of them out. So I'm going to help you pick out your dream car. All right, here we go for riding a 69 convertible. 400 power, 4-speed, ready to go, guys. Black car, red interior. She's gorgeous. Look at that, going down the road nice and straight. No hands on the wheel. Of course, I gotta grab the wheel. We gotta go around a corner. Corner and nice. I mean, this is an amazing vehicle, guys. Call Tom at 248-974-9513. Tom can tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. Call Tom anytime. He answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So give him a call anytime. He would love to tell you all about this beautiful car. Now, we can help you out with financing too. We got about 3 different banks we work with on financing. It takes about a 15-minute phone call with the bankers. Real quick, real easy. Now, Tom will do all the paperwork for you. All you need to do is make that phone call, and Tom will take care of everything for you. Now, we'll take a look down here on the dash. Now, the Speedo is getting fixed, and I've got the guys fixing the tack also. We've got the stock radio in it. Beautiful dash, beautiful finishes on everything. 4-speed feels good, brakes feel great, it's driving awesome, and the top goes down, and it is a sunny day. We gotta run with the top down here, get some sun today. Thing is amazing, guys. To find a 69 convertible with a 400 in it and a 4-speed, listen to that exhaust. She sounds awesome. Now, we're right outside of Detroit. We're real close to the airport. So if you'd like to come in and check out the car in person, we would love to have you. Even though we sell about 95% of them sight unseen, please come on in. We would love to meet you. Now, we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the lift so you can check out the underside. And it is beautiful, guys. We've actually already had it up on the lift. It is gorgeous. And this is our shop. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're gonna get it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this 69 GTO, and she is just as pretty underneath. Look at the finish on that trunk floor on the bottom side. Looking beautiful. We got brand new gas tank. The frame is nicely painted, brand new body bushings, brand new exhaust. The rear end housing, we do believe this is the original rear end housing. All the date codes line up. It's got right around the 307 gear in it, and it is Posi. It's got a sway bar on it. It's got new shocks on it. Now, the guys will pull the brakes apart, make sure they're in good working order. It's got reinforced lower control arms, and they look like it got brand new bushings in the top and the bottom. Look at the floors here. These floors are all beautifully painted, chassis black, looking sweet. It's got brand new parking brake cable on it. They've even got the drive shaft painted up. Looks like a brand new U-joint. We got all the balance marks on the drive shaft. We got brand new lines. Those are fuel lines, vapor lines, and brake lines going front to back. Look at the paint work on these floors. I tell you what, you may want to invest in some mirrors so you can show off the bottom side of this car when you take it to the car show. Cross member. Now, this thing is painted up to make it look like bare metal, but it does have paint on it. The transmission is period correct. All the linkage and everything's hooked up, but it is not numbers matching. The bell housing is period correct. We do believe that bell housing is correct for the car too. Now, it has been upgraded to a high torque starter, which is very cool. It does have the mechanical clutch, just like it would have from the factory. The shocks up front look like they're new. It does have disc brakes up front. Front frame horns are nice and straight. The cross member looks good. The tie rod ends also look good. A big sway bar here in the front. You can see the paint work right down to the bottom edge here is looking sweet. You can see they even painted up the frame real nice, man. It is nice and pretty. Now, on the wheels and tires, we got BFGs here. We got 225/70 15s up front on a beautiful paint job on these wheels. And of course, PMD right there, guys. Insides the wheel wells are nice and clean. Rockers, beautiful moldings there. I always try to get a finger in behind these fenders to check out, make sure they're nice and smooth back there. Always check out this pinch weld. Pinch weld looks great. Feel the back side of the rocker. It's nice and smooth and nicely painted. We get back here to the back. Again, wheels all painted up real nice. And we got 225/70/15s here too. And you can see that wheel well. Look how nice and clean that is. She is beautiful. We've even got the molding back here to keep them stone chips down. Chrome on that back bumper's looking sweet. Now let's get under the hood and see what's making the power. All right, under the hood here, we got Pontiac power. Now this thing's built with some Butler heads. That's what the previous owner's telling us. And now the markings on the block tell us started out life as a WS block, a late 69 block. It's got an aluminum intake on it. It's got a 750 Edelbrock on it. It's got air conditioning. It's got power brakes. It's got power steering. Everything about this car. It's got a factory correct air cleaner on it. Bottom side of the hood's nicely finished. Everything about this car is amazing, guys. The firewall looks good. Look at the fiberglass on the evaporator cover here, looking great. All the paint work on the inner wheelhouses look good. The paint on the frame looks good. All the hoses look good. All the wiring looks great. Even up here in the core support on these Pontiacs, you know, these are normally really rough looking. They did a nice job refinishing all that too. Looking beautiful under the hood, guys. She's a convertible. She's got a 400 in her. She's got a 4-speed. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.